Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BABA just 6 days ago. Let me show you. On May 22nd of this year, when the price of this asset was at $85.37. And I told you on my previous video that we have several violations of technical rules, and I was very confused about its price action. That is why my main assumption was that we have to land somewhere lower from this $85.3 mark, and we have to wait till this asset breaks its crucial points in order to find out where we are on a price chart. And here's the actual price action of this asset. As you can see, we were at this point somewhere here, and for now we have a strong movement to the downside, and we are approaching to its crucial point. In a minute I will show you what does it mean, but for now, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. This means it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So let's continue with the price chart again. I told you on my previous video that I was very confused about this movement, because we cannot have we pretty much, as I thought previously, we completed 5 waves to the upside, and potentially we had to have this type of retracement. And from this point, we went even higher with the highest volume that this asset even had during this movement to the upside. That is why I cannot tell you that we have the extension in a B wave and we are forming the C wave right now because of the volume. Technically, it is not a very severe violation of from the Elliott wave perspective, but the volume shows that it is not the case. Potentially, we have a failed wave to the upside. That is why I will show you in just several minutes what we should expect next. So, and let's take a look on the news that was the catalyst for this asset for the last several sessions. If you type in Google search bar BABA stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see several recent news that potentially was the reason of its movement to the downside. And let me show you this one. Alibaba's Hong Kong shares dip 5% amid rumors of $5 billion convertible bond sale. Let me show you this news in detail. On a close analysis, it becomes clear that Alibaba's Hong Kong shares weren't having their best day. The shares witnessed a 5% plunge reportedly due to talks of Alibaba's plan to sell $5 billion worth of convertible notes. It's important to put into perspective that Alibaba's Hong Kong shares have been a positive performer with robust growth earlier in this year. However, the day's 5% plunge is indicative of the roller coaster nature of international financial markets marked by investor insecurities and uncertainties. And guys, definitely it is just rumors for now that they will issue this $5 billion worth of convertible bonds. But if this rumor becomes a reality, definitely it will be another leg to the downside, and we have to break the range of about $78. As you can see, this yellow line so far holds very strong, and we have 2 touches of this range at this very point. At the same time, guys, take a look right here. This is, let me show you first of all this chart. It is the Alibaba Group Holding Limited institutional ownership. And here you can see the latest bar that is pretty much flat with the several previous bars. We have to exclude these 3 bars because it is some kind of misrepresentation of data. And for now we are pretty much in the flat territory. We have almost the same number of institutional investors. But at the same time, guys, if you take a look right here, this is the list of institutional investors, and if you take a look on the position, on the value of their position, you can see that, for example, this position of .bx group is quite high, and they didn't sell any of shares, and definitely, as you can see, they didn't buy as well. But $78.875 million in value in Alibaba is a quite substantial position. On top of that, let me show you another position of their branch. They increased their position by 5.42%, and for now they hold almost $872 million in value. And if you take a look retrospectively, you will also find a lot of companies who improved their long position by 12.82%, and the position became almost $2.26 million. Next one, improvement by almost 12%, and the position became almost $20 million. And in general, this data shows us that potentially we are about to see a movement to the upside, because more and more institutional investors want to buy this stock. On top of that, we don't have bearish sentiment from this chart. This means in the medium and long-term perspective, this asset is quite lucrative. And guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if we zoom out to, let's say, weekly time frame, turn off all the drawing tools, you can see that from the technical standpoint, this asset is also in quite lucrative position. We hit its basically triple bottom pattern at the range of about slightly above $59. And from this level, we have very good movement to the upside. But for now, we are again in the consistent movement to the downside for the last couple of years. And here is another double bottom pattern. If we zoom into this range, we have $67.6 as the range of support again. And we have first touch of this range right here, second touch is right here. And we are, as you can see, with an increase in volume, we have very good movement to the upside. That leads to the gains of at least 30% within just several weeks. And if you take a look on hourly time frame, let's turn on all the tools. We can see that for now, on the pre-market hours, we are down again by 2.41%. And if this asset breaks the range, this yellow line that I drew previously back in the days, because it was a range of support and resistance from, let's take a look, from the end of December of 2023. And for now, we are again approaching to this range. And guys, to be honest, I want to see the breakout below this range. In this case, we will invalidate the bull count for the short-term perspective, but we will confirm the bull count in a medium and long-term perspective. In this case, right after the breakout below the $78 mark, we have to retest $75.6, and probably we will have another leg to the upside that will be extremely lucrative, because in general it will be more than enough to retrace. Let's delete this tool. And guys, I don't want to make a breakdown of this movement to the upside, because we have several violations of Elliott wave theory rules. But if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see, this range of about $76 is the golden pocket range, and it is pretty much confluence with the range of support. And this means we have very high chances to see a trend reversal from this level, and to have a chance to break even this swing high at $90.5. And yes, for now we still have to wait, but this waiting period shouldn't last for a long time. And we have to see the breakout below this range, or we have to see the reaction around this range. Definitely, I will do another update right after this asset hit this level. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.